Welcome back to the Microsoft Agent Framework series. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to integrate GitHub Models with Microsoft Agent Framework. We will first learn how to generate a GitHub API key to securely connect to GitHub's LLM. And then we will build a financial advisor AI agent that helps with budgeting, saving, and investment tips, all using .NET Core 9. So let's get started. So first step is to get the GitHub tokens. So you need to open github.com, then come to settings. Then if you come down, then you will see this option developer settings. Click on this. Then come to the personal access token and finally click on fine grained tokens. Then create new token, framework demo, anything you can give. And expiration, I'm just giving it as 7 days. You can make it as a no expiration, so if you want to always available for you, but after this video I will remove this key. Okay, so that's why I'm making. And here you need to click on add permissions, then you need to search for the models. Okay, click on that. If you don't give, then you will not be able to access any GitHub models. So generate token. Okay, now we are good. Okay, now let's create console application. GitHub models. I'm just giving a name. Okay, next, create. All right. Now we need some NuGet packages. So let's come here and install those. Make sure you click on include pre-release because Microsoft Agent Framework is not yet released publicly. So you need to click on this one and let's first install Microsoft.agents.ai. This one, you can see the pre-release. Let's install, accept. Next one is Microsoft.extensions.ai. Accept. Okay. Now we need Microsoft.extensions dot AI dot OpenAI. We are going to use OpenAI models here, so that's why we need it. And the last one is the finally OpenAI. So let's remove this. Yeah, that's all. Now let's come here and start writing the code. So these all namespaces would be required. Now let's create an instance of iChat client. iChat client, chat client equals new chat. And here we need to pass the model name. So we are going to use GPT-5 mini. Okay. And the next parameter we need to pass API key credentials. Okay. So let's new API key credentials. And here we need the token. Okay. So let's come here and copy the token. And this is not the best approach. So what you can do is you can store this GitHub tokens into your system environment variable. Okay. And from there you can just read the environment variable here. So that's the best approach to use. Okay. But for the video I used to put here. So yeah. Now let's come down and new OpenAI client options. and here we need to pass the endpoint. So endpoint equals new URI, and here https dot models dot GitHub AI inference. Okay, and here we need to take it as a iChat client. Now it's time to create the first agent, and we are going to build financial advisor agent. Okay, and we are going to ask a really nice question. You will be amazed to see that. So let me first write the AI agent advisor new chat client agent, and here we need to pass the chat client and then new chat client ops agent options. Let me just close this. Yep. Now here we can just pass the name of our agent. So name equals financial advisor and puts instruction. So instructions equals all right. Now let me just write console.write line, and here let me ask anything related to finance and budgeting. Okay, now let me just take user input. String input equals console.readline. Now let's change the console color yellow. Okay, now where response equals await and advisor dot run async, and here we need to pass the input. Okay, now console.writeLine dot text, and this response is not streaming. So if you have not watched my previous video, you can just go and check out here. So there I have shown like how easily you can use the streaming. Okay, now let me just change again the color. The foreground color equals to, let's say, cyan. Yeah. Now let's try to run and see the response, how it goes. Okay, ask anything related to finance and budgeting. So let me ask one thing. Okay, let me just ask, I want to save for a car in 3 years. What's a good strategy to reach that goal? Let's wait. Okay, the only thing is this is not really nice formatting. Okay, so what I can do is let me just provide some input to the agent to format this one. So let's try to give the output format window. Perfect. Now let's see. Okay, so I'm asking the same question, but now I'm expecting some kind of table formatting here. Ah, perfect. So this one you can see it's it has formatted. To save for a car in 3 years, you need a clear strategy that involves setting a budget, choosing the right savings or investment accounts. So this is really nice. Here we can see example calculation, target amount for car $20,000, monthly saving. I mean this much. Okay, now let me ask another question. This time I'm new to investing. What's the safest way to start investing with $500 per month? Let's see. Here we can see again in a nice format like a step description. Some this formatting is there, so definitely that's fine. Set clear goal, emergency fund, educate yourself and all. Let's try the last one. So can you give me a sample monthly budget for a single person living in Chicago with salary of 100K. This is nice. Let's see. Okay, let me expand. Okay, so here it has already divided into three part category, monthly amount, percentage of income, and we can see net after tax. Oh, tax also it has calculated based on the USA. So this is fine. And here we can see net income assume about 25% tax rate on a salary. And yeah, this is amazing. So you can see how easily you can integrate any LLM models with AI agent with Microsoft Agent Framework using iChat client. In the next video, we are going to see how we can use DeepSeek R1 along with Olama, and we'll build again something very interesting, some new kind of agents. So hope you like it. If you are really interested in learning Microsoft Agent Framework with real life example, make sure to subscribe. And if you have any query or question, you can write me in a comment box. I will try to reply as soon as possible. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.